Today we will dive into iBuyers in San Diego and what you need to know about them. You may be wondering what an iBuyer is. Let's first lay some groundwork here. iBuyers utilize technology to acquire properties, making all-cash deals for homes without sellers needing to invest in prepping their house for sale, dealing with showings, or making repairs. Sounds like an easy, quick fix solution, right? Well, all things come at a cost, and it may pay off significantly for you to continue watching as we explore all things you need to know about iBuyers in San Diego. More sellers are reaching out to iBuyers as a solution to sell, but it is important to understand the ins and outs of this process. Now, while iBuyers can offer convenience and speed when it comes to selling your home, there are some potential drawbacks and pitfalls to keep in mind. Here are some ways iBuyers in San Diego can be tricky. The first thing to understand when dealing with iBuyers in San Diego is that they are throwing out lowball offers. Now, while iBuyers claim to offer fair market value for your home, some sellers have reported receiving lowball offers that are significantly below their home's actual value. It's important to do your own research on your home's value and get multiple offers to ensure you're getting a fair price. Also, it's important to do homework and understand the fees and commissions iBuyers will oftentimes hide from you. iBuyers may charge fees and commissions that can add up and reduce your overall payout. Make sure you understand all the fees and costs associated with the transaction before accepting an offer. Many times iBuyers will drop these fees and commissions when you are well into escrow, which can make working with an iBuyer in San Diego a very frustrating process. Now remember, iBuyers typically only purchase certain type of homes, such as single-family homes that are in good condition. If your home doesn't meet their eligibility criteria, you may not be able to sell to an iBuyer. If you have an outdated home, a home in need of repairs, unique circumstances that may make a traditional home sale tricky, an iBuyer may not be the right solution for you. Now, another topic to understand when dealing with iBuyers in San Diego is the dreaded inspection and repair costs. iBuyers will typically conduct their own inspections and may require repairs or upgrades before purchasing your home. These costs can add up quickly and reduce your overall profit. This is not something you want to hear at the 10th hour. Once you accept an iBuyer's offer, there is little room for negotiation. If you receive a higher offer from another buyer, you may not be able to use it to negotiate a higher price with the iBuyer. It's important to carefully weigh the pros and cons of selling to an iBuyer and to do your own research and due diligence before accepting an offer. Working with a trusted real estate agent can also help you navigate the process and ensure you're getting a fair price for your home. At the end of the day, iBuyers can seem like a great option at first glance when you're trying to sell your home quickly. But as we have learned today, you can easily get caught in a deal that doesn't quite provide the cash offer you were initially quoted. This can lead you down a path that is wasting your time and money. A simple solution is to work with a company that you can actually trust, a company that is not going to treat you like a number. This is where Trusted House Buyers comes in. We are your neighbors here in San Diego and are a local, family-owned company that have helped San Diegans sell their homes in the most stress-free and streamlined process as possible. It's what we do. We want to make sure you feel comfortable with the offer we can provide you, and we'll work on your terms and timeline to make sure you feel good about the deal. Give Trusted House Buyers a call today at 619-786-0973 to learn why we can be just the solution you are looking for. Thanks for watching.